A few weeks ago, I asked you, the Dirt Decoded viewers, to share your best-kept garden secrets. The response, hundreds of ingenious, sometimes wild ideas, an avalanche of hidden knowledge, patterns emerged, clever uses for kitchen waste, simple watering tricks, and natural remedies that outshine store-bought solutions. I spent weeks testing and researching your top tips, digging into the science behind them. Now, I've narrowed it down to the 10 most powerful, science-backed secrets that will transform your garden. These tips will give you healthier soil, stronger plants, and a more resilient garden. So grab a notebook. Here are the 10 most powerful secrets and why they actually work. Let's dig in. Let's start with a secret right from your kitchen. Kitchen scrap mulch. Instead of tossing vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, lightly bury them in your garden beds. This feeds the soil food web. Microbes and earthworms break it down, aerating the soil and creating rich, moisture-holding humus. It's free, easy, and turns trash into garden gold. Next up, rice water. Save the cloudy water from rinsing rice and use it to water your plants. The starch feeds beneficial soil microbes, boosting their populations and supercharging nutrient cycling. Healthier microbes mean healthier plants. No fancy fertilizer needed. It's a simple, science-backed boost for your garden. Baban. Secret 3. Companion planting with a scientific twist. Marigolds near tomatoes repel root knot nematodes. Borage and dill attract pest-eating insects. Nasturtiums lure aphids away from your crops. You're building a self-regulating ecosystem, not just planting rows. Smart plant pairings mean fewer pests and stronger plants. Already composting. Take it further with compost tea. Steep finish compost in water, aerate, and drench your soil or spray your plants. This living liquid delivers instant nutrients and floods your garden with beneficial microbes. It's a probiotic for your plants, healthier soil, fewer diseases. Hate digging and weeding? Try the cardboard bed. Sheet mulching. Lay cardboard over grass or weeds, overlap edges, and top with compost and soil. The cardboard smothers weeds, feeds earthworms, and decomposes into rich organic matter. No digging, less weeding, and super fertile soil. It's the foundation of no-dig gardening. Don't toss autumn leaves. Turn them into soil gold. Sprinkle leaves with a bit of sugar and mist with water before composting. The sugar gives microbes a quick energy boost, speeding up decomposition. You'll have nutrient-rich leaf mold in months, not years. Got coconut shells? Use them as biodegradable seed starters. Plant seeds in the shell, then transplant the whole thing, shell and all. The shell protects roots, breaks down slowly, and boosts microbial activity. It's a zero-waste, nutrient-boosting start for your plants. Water deeply, but less often. Shallow watering keeps roots near the surface. Deep soaking encourages roots to grow down, making plants stronger and more drought-resistant. Check soil depth after watering to ensure moisture reaches 6 to 8 inches. This simple shift builds resilient, healthy plants. Feed your soils good fungi with a sprinkle of cornmeal. Cornmeal boosts beneficial fungi like trichoderma, which crowd out disease-causing fungi. Healthier fungal networks mean better nutrient cycling and natural disease resistance. It's an easy, pantry-powered defense for your garden. Rotate your mulch materials for balanced soil health. Use leaves in fall, grass clippings in spring, and wood chips in summer. Each mulch feeds different microbes and nutrients, preventing imbalances. Mulch rotation builds complex, fertile, resilient soil year after year. There you have it. 10 powerful secrets from the Dirt Decoded community. These tips work with nature, feeding the soil and building a thriving ecosystem. Start with what you have: rice water, cardboard, leaves, everyday items, extraordinary results. Shift from plant keeper to soil steward and watch your garden transform. Thanks to everyone who shared their wisdom. This is a true community effort. Try 1 or 2 secrets, experiment, and see the change for yourself. Which will you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more soil-smart gardening from Dirt Decoded.